So our team has the unique responsibility of working with clients that are continuing clients that we've just recently launched their websites, as well as with prospective clients that come to us who have either recently developed and launched a site with somebody else and may not be getting the support that they currently need, or just looking for a new vendor or new lines of services. For continuing clients, what we like to do is make sure that there's a seamless transition to our team. They've already been involved with working with a lot of our coworkers, and so we want to reestablish and continue that relationship and make sure that all our expectations are out on the table. They know what to expect from us, and we want to keep those clients and that partnership going year over year. For the prospective clients, it's more of obviously getting to know their pain points and seeing how the services that we offer fit into their current needs. We understand that every client, every organization is different, so some may need, may not need so many services or not need to have that day-to-day contact for them to administer their websites, and others do need that, so we provide any level of service.
So if your site's been built by Emagine and you're in the process of transitioning off to OCS for your launch warranty or to engage in a support contract, I meet with the team internally. We discuss your website, your vertical specifically, what it is that you do, so I can fully understand what purpose the website serves for you. Any type of custom functionality that's been built into your website, so that my team has a full understanding of your website from top to bottom, so that that transition can be seamless to my team. And part of that, I like to have what's called a warm handoff, where we sit down with the project manager that you've come to love and adore for the timeline you've been with production, and then we'll talk with you and the production manager together and talk about OCS and what support means, what a launch warranty is, and how best to work with us for enhancements or features, how to get us in an urgent situation, so that we all are on the same page as far as how best to support each other in moving forward in a partnership.
I think what makes a successful ongoing engagement with clients are periodic check-ins, of course, to make sure that they are getting the level of service that they expect, and hopefully even that we're exceeding those expectations. But also a big part of a successful relationship with our clients is making sure that we're proactive, that we're not always waiting for them to request things of us. We actually will look at what's trending. We'll look at what our production team has recently done with newer clients or newer sites that we've launched. And we try to see what would work well for these ongoing clients and make those recommendations. So we do take care of all the tedious maintenance tasks, the making sure that the site is secure as possible, that all the WordPress core and plugins are up to date, but we also like to think outside of the box. We take that time to make sure that we're helping you continue the success of your client, of your website, to continue to evolve it. Because as we know, user expectations online change all the time. A site that's launched 2 years ago is going to need care and attention over those, the next 2-3 years, so that you're not finding yourself in a situation where you have to completely refresh and rebuild and redesign your site. Aside from troubleshooting client issues, in the past several years, we've gone from a team that is mostly reactive and, again, just waiting for requests to come in, to one where we're offering services and we're packaging these enhancements to clients, so that we are taking on bigger projects. We're not just a support team, again, that is going to just fix little issues. We want to be able to create complex new areas of your site, new portals, new landing pages that involve design and maybe even interaction with our SEO team. And our clients have grown to trust us with these larger projects. We've earned that trust because of the quality of work that we produce. So the bigger the project ask of us that we receive, the bigger challenge that's presented to us, we actually welcome that. We like being a support team that can offer all those other enhancements, as well as taking care of all the maintenance tasks.
So for me, I love when clients come to us to help them solve a problem that they're having. And a lot of the time it comes down to maybe it's not a change that needs to happen on the website, it's just a process change within their department, and kind of finding those ways to improve process management, or the way that they go about doing things, or the way they expect the website to function, or the website to cater to something that could be improved somewhere else, and bringing that to the surface and helping them work through that and solve that problem, and maybe make a change here and adjust a process internally there. That's the type of thing that I really love to find.
I think it's our personalized and customized approach to each client. We offer and we try to standardize our services, but we're also very flexible in that we might make a recommendation to a client, say for a particular task or a project, but we will also give them other options so that they can make the decision themselves, make the most cost-effective decision that's going to benefit their needs.
Unlike a lot of other agencies, Imagine's invested to have a fully staffed ongoing support department. We have developers, project managers, client support, hosting specialists, strategists, solely dedicated to ongoing clients.